Well, the board of AGL Energy has rejected a revised takeover bid from Brookfield, and Aussie billionaire Mike Cannon-Brookes. Joining me is our business reporter, Edward Boyd. Ed, AGL have knocked back for a second time, and it seems like Mike Cannon-Brookes is saying, well, that's it.
Yeah, look, overnight, Mike Cannon-Brookes tweeted saying it's pens down for us at the consortium. They've basically given up on the potential takeover for AGL Energy. So a couple of weeks ago, this consortium, it's massive Canadian fund manager Brookfield, along with Mike Cannon-Brookes, they lobbed an $8 billion bid for AGL. They upped it over the weekend to $9 billion. And the board of AGL overnight and this morning on the ASX, they put out a release basically saying, no, we think the company's worth even more money than that. We're not interested in going through with this bid. So the consortium's now walked away from the deal. So now what's going to happen now with AGL is they're going to go ahead with their demerger plans, which is to split the business into two. So shareholders are going to be voting on that in mid-June. But the thing to watch today is going to be AGL's share price, because whenever there's a takeover bid, it pushes up the value of companies. We'll have to see the stock market reaction to this news today. My guess is AGL shares are going to start going down again.
Okay, so the market opens in about half an hour's time. What can we expect?
Look, we're expecting the stock market to be up slightly this morning, up 0.4%. The big thing to watch is energy prices. We saw Annalise over there in Washington talking about the US considering putting bans on Russian exports of oil. They're the second largest exporter of oil in the world. So that's pushed up the price of oil over the weekend. It's now about $118 a barrel for Brent crude. So expect oil companies on the stock market to do well today, along with gold businesses as well. The gold price is slowly creeping up too. So that's the things to watch today. But this week, Laura, there's a couple of economic things happening. We've got two speeches from the governor of the Reserve Bank later this week. And then on Thursday, we've got the inflation numbers for February for the United States. And inflation there is at 7.5%. We'll have to see where prices have been going over the last month.
Yeah, cost of living just going up. Ed, thanks so much.